Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to Math Today. So last week you were practicing length with Señora Castaño, and today we are going to do more of a hands-on activity with it. So really quick, let's practice using the language. So you know that the length is measuring how long something is. So we learned the word longer or long. I think in Spanish you called it larga or largo. And then if it's not long, you could also say it is short. Or in Spanish, I think it was corta. So that's what we're gonna be focusing on today is the length. So length means how long or how short something is. So let's look at my little picture real quick and kind of talk about what we see here. So remember length. And a good thing to use to measure length is a ruler. So that's why I drew a ruler on top. So I have a pencil, a table, and a snake. So let's take a look and tell me, which one is longer, the pencil or the snake? So we have to see which one goes further. Oh yeah, the snake, right? So we could say the snake is longer than the pencil. Okay, which one is longer, the table or the snake? Say it in a full sentence. The table is longer than the snake. Good. So if we're looking at all three of these, which one is the longest? Good. The table is the longest. Okay, now let's try using shorter. Tell me, what's shorter, the table or the pencil? Say it in a complete sentence. Don't just tell me one thing. I want the whole sentence. The pencil is shorter than the table. Good. Okay, boys and girls, your activity today is going to be kind of fun. Oh, really quick though. Every time we measure the length of something, it is important to remember that it has to start at the same spot. Okay, we have to line everything up so that we can measure it truly. Okay, let's take a look. So for math today, you're gonna need a sheet of paper, and it could be any piece of paper because we are gonna rip it up. So here's my little working area today, and I want you to rip it so that it's at least in like 5 different sizes. So I'm gonna go strips first. And then I'm gonna change the size of my strips. See, because right now if I were to measure these, if I were to turn them sideways and measure the length, they are all the same. So now I need to cut these into different lengths. So I'm gonna rip them in half at different spots. Okay, so here are my papers. Can you see them all? Let's see. We'll take these out. This way you can see it. So now my job is I need to make them in order from shortest to longest. So keeping in mind, I need to start everything in the same spot. So I can see right now that this one is my shortest one. So I'm gonna put it on top in that corner. And then let's see, maybe this one comes next. And then maybe this one comes next. Oh, wait a second. I can see that this one is longer than this one. So I need to switch these. And now I need to find my next shortest one. Okay, my friends, so I'm gonna continue putting all of my papers in order from shortest to longest, and then I will upload a photo so you can see what it looks like. I can't wait to see your work.